For second straight day, students of Sai Ram Engineering College are protesting in Chennai, demanding action against college authorities over their decision on dress code. Students have submitted a petition even to the police commissioner. Here's a report that Shabir sent us from the college.
For the second day today, students belonging to Sai Ram Engineering College are staging a protest in Chennai, demanding action against the officials and the college authorities for having stringent rules on campus. Here the students, you can see, are holding placards saying that we are engineers, we are not criminals. So that is the message that they want to send across, and at the same point of time the students here demand action against the principal and various other authorities for having such stringent rules. So what are your demands as of now, and why are you here at the Commissioner's office?
We are temporarily in a jail called as Sai Ram Engineering College, which is located at Sai Leela Nagar at Tambaram. We are strictly we are in a very dangerous situation in our college. We do not have complete freedom in our college. Even boys and girls do not have complete freedom in our college. For every silly things, we are being severely fined. We are being severely warned.
Well, these are the reactions that are coming in from students. On the other hand, a few days ago, a circular was doing rounds on social networking sites. At that time, the college said that this is something which is a fake letter that has been circulated by the media, and then the college management had clearly in issuing any such circular. But here the students say that this is something which is happening inside their campus. It is jail on campus, and the students here protesting for the second day. And what are your basic issues? What are your basic issues? Why are you being harassed by the college authority?
If you go from your floor to the other floor just for drinking water, they'll be charging you 2,000 to 5,000 rupees fine. And for each and every petty thing, they'll be asking to bring your parents. So whatever you do, you need to bring your parents, and your parents need to stand over there, and they need to wait for the whole day. And if a boy and girl speaks, they just literally say that you are in love. As you are committed, you will be given TC. And they'll be browsing our private Facebook accounts and WhatsApp accounts. What kind of rules means nowadays? We are not even allowed to bring non-veg to our college. And then if we wear a t-shirt, t-shirts are not allowed. If you are wearing a shirt, and if there is any color over here, then they'll be saying to change the color, go to the room and then change the color. And even if they'll see the brand name, and sometimes they'll be asking us to shave the beard. Even if there is no beard, they'll ask us to go and shave the beard at Tambaram.
Even for the parents, they won't give respect.
They'll be abusing parents too.
Even for the parents also.